Hi, this is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Productronica. I am on the I/O Tech stand with Herve Javice, who is the CEO and co-founder of I/O Tech. They're here with their product, which is the continuous laser assisted deposition. We'll talk about that in a moment. First of all, Herve, could you just give us a little bit of background on I/O Tech?
Good morning, Mick. The I/O Tech was started like 7.5 years ago. We're still a startup. We are developing a completely new technology. We're a team of nearly 30 people, and we are now going into the market after introducing the technology 2 years ago at Productronica. This is when we got the award for innovation. And then we went into a beta. Beta turned out to be very successful, and now we got our first orders, which are being delivered, and quite impressive customer actually, because we are one of them is top 3 in the US in the field of semiconductors. Another one is top 3 in Europe in the same field. So a technology that is attracting a lot of interest.
Okay, so can you talk us through the technology and why it's different?
So the benefit is that what we're doing is we are coating any kind of material on a foil. Then the foil comes under a laser, and the laser creates little droplets. So the light is pushing droplets like 10,000 times per second. So at a speed which the world of dispensers or jetting has never seen. And so this technology enables to print any kind of material. So there is no need to change the materials. You take the material that manufacturers are currently using, you put them in the machine, and then you can jet them. So it's applicable to many industries. Right now we're focused more on the packaging of semiconductors, where we can do deposition of newer design, any shapes, and higher resolution. So we do resolutions of, let's say, anywhere between 30-40 micron and 0.5 millimeter. So this is a flexible material, flexible resolution, flexible design, and multi-layers. So the technology can do any kind of shape factor. We are currently building pillars, one drop at a time, let's say 50 or 60 micron diameter on 80 micron height. And these are designs which today are very attractive to the industry.
You mentioned the beta testing. I think that's with ASMPT and with Henkel as well. Can you just expand on that?
Yes, that's correct. So it was quite interesting. In 2019, we had a contact with ASMPT. They decided to invest in us because they realized that our technology could be the next generation for screen printing. So it said, let's work together and let's see whether there is potential cooperation in the future. So invested in us, they purchased the machine, and they start testing the results, and they helped us a lot developing the machine, because at the beginning it didn't work as it should, and then we completed the very successful beta, and now they are looking at whether this technology could complement their own. Henkel is always looking for ways to propose new solutions to their customers. And so they also invested in us. They also purchased the machine, and now they are starting to demonstrate the technology with their materials to their customers.
I mean, it seems to me one of the big benefits of the technology is its versatility in terms of materials used. Is that correct?
Yes, it's quite incredible that we can have viscosity of materials going to 500,000 centibars. So basically we could print, for our American friends, we can print peanut butter. And this is something which, of course, when you have high viscosity, you have much more ability to have higher performance. And I think that is the weakness of inkjet processes, because they need a low viscosity, and having a technology that can take any material is quite critical. Also, it's a versatility for any kind of design, whether it is multi-size, multi-form factors, multi-height, multi-materials. So it opens for all the people in the semiconductor packaging and also SMT new design freedom which never existed before.
So where do you go from here with the technology? You have the two partners taking the technology forward. What's the next step?
So the next step is to go with our current customers who are all giants in the field of semiconductors, is to go through their process development in their R&D labs, which is what they'll be doing in the next few months, and then going to the factories, going into production. That's one thing. Now, because our technology is applicable to so many industries, we would expect, like SMT and others, we would expect people to try and integrate our technology in application-specific machines. And that would be a way for us to scale up, but also diversify the markets and enable more manufacturers around the world to benefit from that technology, because we can't cover it all. So there will probably be some kind of a licensing relationship on the way.
Herve Javice, CEO of IoTech, thank you very much.